All right, guys. Well, it got delivered. A brand new Kalamazoo, made in America 2x48 grinder. I know a lot of y'all thought I was scared. I run my house. Watch. Baby, I bought the grinder. There's not a dang thing you can do about it.
Daddy, Mommy's not even here.
All right, what's happening, guys? So here's my new Kalamazoo grinder, 2x48, made in America. And this is the plate that comes on it. All right, there's about how it goes, which is very tiny. So, gonna do a little bit of a modification and put this plate on it. That'll be a lot better. There's Billy. Here we go. Hey. Stop recording now.
Say cheese!
Cheese!
I'm recording.